Hello students, we are discussing how to learn the elements, and in this we have discussed group number 1 and group number 2. Group number 1 alkali metals we have discussed. हमारे लिए ना करो रब से फरियाद, हाइड्रोजन, लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम, सीजियम, फ्रेंशियम. And group number 2 alkaline earth metals we have discussed the formula. बेटा मांगे कन्या सुंदर बाप राजी. बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम, स्ट्रोंशियम, बेरियम and रेडियम. Now we are jumping to group number 13. We are taking group number 13 because group number 3 to 12 we will learn these elements period wise. So first we are taking those group which we are learning group wise, top to bottom. So let's group number 13. This is boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. We learn this group as बैंगन, आलू, गाजर in थैला. बैंगन B, आलू Al, गाजर Ga in in थैला Tl. B for boron, Al for aluminium, Ga for gallium, In for indium and Tl for thallium. Let's take another group number 14, which is known as carbon family, and this group is known as boron family. So let's say group number 14 carbon family. So carbon family, group number 14, the elements belongs to carbon family are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. To learn this group, we will take the formula काशी जाए शंकर प्रभु. काशी जाए शंकर प्रभु. का means C, she means SI, जाए GE, शंकर SN, प्रभु PB. C for carbon, Si means silicon, G germanium, SN tin. The Latin name is stannum. PB lead. The Latin name is plumbum. काशी जाए शंकर प्रभु. So let's take group number 15, that is known as nitrogen family. This is the nitrogen family, group number 15, and the elements of the group number 15 are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. To learn this group we have नाना पाटेकर, असरानी, सब भिखारी. नाना पाटेकर, असरानी, सब भिखारी. नाना N, पाटेकर P, असरानी AS, सब SB, भिखारी BI. Nitrogen, N for nitrogen, P for phosphorus, AS for arsenic, S for antimony, Latin name is strontium and Bi for bismuth. This is the group number 15. Now let's take group number 16. This is known as oxygen family, also known as chalcogens. So group number 16, oxygen family, and the elements of this group are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. To learn this we have O सलमा सिलेंगे तेरी पॉकेट. O सलमा सिलेंगे तेरी पॉकेट. O for oxygen, S for sulfur, Se for selenium, T for tellurium and Po for polonium. O सलमा सिलेंगे तेरी पॉकेट. This is the group number 16. Let's take group number 17. This is known as halogen family. Group number 17, halogens. The members of this family are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and acetylene. To learn these elements we have फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी. फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी. फिर F कल Cl बाहर Br आई I, anti, At. F for fluorine, Cl for chlorine, Br for bromine, I for iodine, and At for acetylene. Let's take group number 18. This group is known as noble gases. They are a special element because their atoms can exist freely. They have zero valency. They do not combine with other atoms of other elements. Students, so that they are also known as inert gas elements. And since they have zero valency, so that they are also known as zero group. So let's learn the members of this group. The members of this group 18 are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. To learn the elements of this group, we have हेमा मालिनी ने अरविंद केजरीवाल की जिंदगी रंग दी। हेमा मालिनी ने अरविंद केजरीवाल की जिंदगी रंग दी। He for helium, Ne for neon, Ar for argon, Pr for krypton and Xe for xenon and Rn for radon. So these are the elements of group number 18. Let's take a small revision of group number 1, 2 and 13 to 18. Students, group number 1, हमारे लिए ना करो रब से फरियाद। हाइड्रोजन, लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम, सीजियम, फ्रेंशियम। ग्रुप नंबर 2, बेटा मांगे कार, स्कूटर, बाप राजी। बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम, स्ट्रोंशियम, बेरियम एंड रेडियम। Group number 13, which is known as boron family. बैंगन, आलू, गाजर in थैला. This is boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Group number 14, which is known as carbon family. काशी, जाए, शंकर, प्रभु. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Group number 15, मेटल फैमिली. नाना पाटेकर, असानी, सब भिखारी. नंबर 16, ओ सलमा सिलेंगे तेरी पॉकेट. ऑक्सीजन, सल्फर, सेलेनियम, टेलुरियम, पोलोनियम. नंबर 17, नोन एज हेलोजेंस. फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी. फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन एंड एसिडिन. नेक्स्ट, ग्रुप नंबर 18, नोबल गैसेस. हेमा मालिनी ने अरविंद केजरीवाल की जिंदगी रंग दी. हीलियम, नियॉन, आर्गन, क्रिप्टॉन, xenon एंड रेडॉन. लेट्स टेक फर्स्ट सीरीज ऑफ ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स, पीरियड नंबर 4, ग्रुप 3 to 12. These are the elements of period number 3, group 3 to 12. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. We will learn these elements horizontally. So to learn these elements, we have the formula. स्कीन टाई वाले क्यों मानी, फिर कोई निकला कॉपर जिंक. स्कीन टाई वाली क्यों मानी, फिर कोई निकला कॉपर जिंक. दिस इज स्कैंडियम. Fe for scandium, Ti for titanium, V for vanadium, Cr for chromium, Mn for manganese, Fe for iron. Latin name is ferrum. Co means cobalt, Ni means nickel, Cu means copper. In Latin it is called cuprum, and Zn means zinc. So we can learn very easily these elements. Scheme Sc, टाई Ti, वाली V, क्यों Cr, मानी Mn, फिर Fe, कोई Co, निकला Ni, कॉपर Cu, जिंक Zn. स्कीम टाई वाली क्यों मानी, फिर कोई निकला कॉपर जिंक. So let's take the next series of transition element. This is the 5D series. This is the 4D series and this is the 5D series from group number 3 to 12. This is the yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver and cadmium. The elements of this period group 3 to 12 we have यारी जरा निभा मौत तक, यारी जरा निभा मौत तक, रुकावट राह में पड़े आग में कूद जा, यारी जरा निभा मौत तक, रुकावट राह में पड़े आग में कूद जा। आग में कूदना नहीं है, केवल इसको लर्न करना है। यारी वाई, जरा ZR, निभा MB, मौत MO, तक TC, रुकावट RU, राह में RH, पड़े PD, आग में AG, कूद जा CD। यारी जरा निभा मौत तक, रुकावट राह में पड़े आग में कूद जा। Y for yttrium, ZR for zirconium, MB for niobium, MO for molybdenum, EC for technetium, RU for ruthenium, RH for rhodium and PD for palladium, AG for silver, Latin name is argentum, CD for cadmium. So these are the elements of period number 4, group number 3 to 12. At the last we will discuss elements of period number 6, group 3 to 12. These are lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold and mercury. To learn the elements of period number 6, group 3 to 12, we have the formula ला हफ्ता वर्ना रे ओसामा, इधर पिटाई और होगी। ला हफ्ता वर्ना रे ओसामा, इधर पिटाई और होगी। ला हफ्ता वर्ना रे ओसामा, इधर पिटाई और होगी। ला LA, हफ HF, ता TA, वर्ना W, रे RE, ओसामा OS, इधर IR, पिटाई PT और AU होगी HE। ला हफ्ता वर्ना रे ओसामा, इधर पिटाई और होगी। वैसे तो ओसामा जा चुका है, पिटाई तो उसकी हो चुकी है, पर एक बार पिटाई करने में और क्या रहता है। स्टूडेंट्स, LA represent lanthanum, HF means hafnium, TA means tantalum, W means tungsten, Latin name is wolfram, RE rhenium, OS osmium, IR iridium, PT platinum, is known as white gold, AU gold, aurum, Hg mercury, hydrogenum. So students, these are the elements which are useful in all the classes 9, 10, 11, 12, and whenever you study the subject chemistry, then these are very, very useful. Student, this table is the heart of the chemistry. If you have a command on this table, then you can easily understand the concept of the chemistry, because these are the alphabets of language of chemistry. If we know the alphabets, then we have a good command on the language of chemistry. So try to practice these elements, learn to these elements. In the next class, we will discuss about the ions. What is ion? What are different types? We will see the example then, and finally we sum up to learn how to make the chemical formula. Thank you very much.